Welcome to the key of A flat major. Time to write out the A flat major scale. How did we get here? I won't go through all of it, but our last key was the key of E flat, and the fourth degree of that key was an A flat. You know now that the flats go up in fourths. So A flat, we need a whole step. 2 holes and a half, 3 holes and a half. We're on A flat. The next note has to be some kind of a B. We need it to be a whole step. Right now it's a step and a half. So we've got to lower that B to a B flat. We're on a B. The next note has to be some kind of a C. Again, you should know by now that B flat to C is a whole step. What do we need? We need a whole step. So we're good. We're on a C. The next note has to be some kind of a D. How far between C and D? A whole step. What do we need? 3 going to 4 is a half step. So we've got to lower that D to D flat. We're on a D. The next note has to be some kind of an E. Okay? D flat to E is a step and a half. That's too far. I've got to lower that E to an E flat. It's a whole step. I forgot to mention, this is the second half of our scale, 3 holes and a half to get to the end, right? So there's a whole step. We need 2 more whole steps and a half step. E flat. If we're on an E, the next note has to be some kind of an F. Between E flat and F, you should know by now, is a whole step. So we're good. 6 to 7 is a whole step. Here we go. I'm on F. After F comes some kind of G. F to G is how far? It's a whole step. 6 to 7. What do we need? A whole step. All right. Now for our final half step. We're on a G. The next note has to be some kind of an A. G to A is how far? It's a whole step. What do we need? We need a half step between 7 and 1. So we've got to lower that A flat. Also, don't forget that we are in the key of A flat. If we're in the key of A flat major, we return to 1. It's got to be A flat, right? Can't be A. Okay, I'll see you next, 4th degree, in the key of D flat.